Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, trip computer, compass, clock, electronic stability control, fog lights, brake assist, tachometer, outside temperature gauge. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.